अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। तो गाइस आज हम खेल रहे हैं कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी घोस्ट का थर्ड मिशन,
Span of
नो
destruction in
मैन्स
LA and San
लैंड।
Diego.
तो बगैर किसी शोर शराबे के इस मिशन
It's
को
just a
एंजॉय
tragic
करें।
picture of my own childhood. We're now mined and abandoned. Dad told us few men got to operate in no man's land. It was too dangerous, too unpredictable. If he was sending us out there, it must have been important to him. Still, I couldn't help but think this was another one of his tests. A lesson he was trying to teach us. Is it on? Okay, looks like we're good. Beginning sector scan. Contact. Enemy patrol approaching from the west. Do not engage. Let him get closer. Get ready. Do it. Take him out! Clear. It's a third group in 20 miles. Eyes peeled. Could be more. Stand by. Easy, Riley. Welcome home. What's left of it, anyway. Come on, let's keep moving.
Stalker 6, this is Viking Actual. We are en route to target location. How copy?
Solid copy, Viking. Be advised, recent reports indicate lots of enemy movement in that area. We're on a schedule here, so get that intel and get out fast.
Roger that.
Clear. Hey, check it out. Never thought I'd see this thing again. Guess that means we should keep moving on. I like you remember. This place is depressing. Come on. Shit, whoa.
Sounds like trouble. Logan, sync up with Riley. Here we go. The vest is synced with your camera feed. It'll help guide him. Where you want to go, he'll follow. Skip, I see 2 tangos ahead. Let them separate. Close one. Take him out first. Nice. Where'd the other one go? See if you can get his... There he is. I'll take this one. Alright, Logan. Have Riley search the house. I don't want any stragglers. Hang on. I got a sniper on the balcony. He's mine. Okay, take the guard first. All clear. Good boy, Riley. Let's move. Sounds like more inside. Stack up. Riley, search. Clear. On me. Contact 30 meters. Contact front. Change your mag. Give me some covering fire. Got movement. This is definitely the place. Stalker 6, we got something here. Looks like they're digging through some wreckage.
What do you mean? What kind of wreckage?
Not sure. It's gaudy, but we're gonna push through. Cover me. Contact. Cover me.
Mikey 1, we're getting reports of large enemy movement just ahead of you. If you hurry, you should be able to intercept them.
Roger that. Let's move. Target neutralized. Tracks are fresh. Looks like they went this way. Vehicles incoming, shift right. Easy, easy. Let it pass. Perfect. Hang on. Straggling on the right. 2 o'clock. Take him out. Good kill. Stay low. Follow my lead. Jackpot. Stalker, we're seeing a massive enemy camp ahead. Moving to investigate. Sig on Riley. Sig on Riley. Here we go. Okay, lots of enemy movement here, so let's take this nice and slow. Scatter around, see if you can find anything. Remember, move slow and keep Riley hidden. Stay out of sight. You alert to one of the guards. We're spotted! Take him out! Okay, we're in. Let's find out what's going on here. He's down. Okay, moving up. He's down. Stay out of sight. You alerted one of the guards. Good kill. The guy on the trailer. You see him? Zoom in. Let's see what's going on.
Well,
Hey, you see that guy's mask?
so nice you could join us. Look, what's the matter? You look like you've just seen a ghost. You won't get anything from me. Well, that's too bad then. Nah, you didn't think it was going to be that easy, did you? Oh, no. You and me got a lot of catching up to do. Move everything to Firebase Charlie. Cloning him. Operation Homecoming will proceed on schedule.
Firebase Charlie. Operation Homecoming.
Viking, what's your position? You boys better double time it or you get left behind.
Roger that, we're on our way. Marking the rally point now. Get Riley out of there. We'll regroup at the exit. Guide Riley south to the rally point. Good boy, Riley. Let's move. Stalker 6, we're headed to your position. Don't start the party without us.
Riley, slow down. What's this dog up to? Riley, heel.
Whoa, slow down. Something isn't right. What's wrong, boy? Oh, shit. Back it up.
Logan!
You look lost.
Not lost. Looking for you. Captain Merrick.
Walker, I believe you have something for me.
We came across some feds moving a guy at Firebase Charlie. One of yours?
Yeah, Ajax. All right, we don't have a lot of time. You can stick with us, but you do what I say when I say it. Understood?
Yes, sir. Enemy contact ahead.
Hang on. They're taking off. Right on schedule.
Got some stragglers on the road. Could be trouble.
Okay, Keegan, post up and keep us covered. Walker boys are with me. Okay, Keegan, kick us off. Weapons free!
Got your eyes on the dog. He's down. Target down.
Target field. He's down. Lay down suppressing fire. Complete. Hostile down. Contacts ahead. Target down. Move up, top of the hill. Let's go.
Keegan, take point. Get us
तो गाइज अगर आपको ये मिशन पसंद आया है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी घोस्ट के 4th मिशन में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।